I am gonna be showing you guys, we're gonna be making our camera. We're gonna be finishing our camera by the end of this video. So let's get into the video now. So I already have my code up right here, as you can see, but you guys should take your time to bring your code up. We are in the camera follow script, so make sure to open that. And yeah, so firstly, before we do anything, make sure to go right. We wrote these public float variables and these private variables in like, I don't know when was it, but we wrote them in a Unity video, and I've actually forgot to write this public bool variable, so go ahead and write that now. But anyway, if you once you've wrote that, all you want to do, well, we're just gonna go to the void start area and write these little lines. So first line is this, so camera, and then calc, short for calculations, and then equals, and then you're gonna do capital F, find, and then object of type, and then we're gonna do these greater than, less than signs, go into that, and then we're gonna write in there camera calculations, camera, there we go, it comes up, camera calculations. And then all you're gonna write then is write a parenthesis, semicolon, that is it. Next line is a vector 3, you probably know what that is now. By now, I've explained it like many times. Oh wait, my bad, no, equals. You're gonna write angles then, and then equals transform dot Euler angles. Okay, and then make sure to put a semicolon like usual. Now we're gonna make some x and y variables for when our camera is moving up and down and side to side. So x, and then equals angles dot x semicolon, y equals, oh, extra space, angles dot y, there we go. And then the last variable is up to you. Well, you're not gonna write something that's random. You're gonna choose in between if you want this true or false. So what we're trying to do is, when we move our character, you know your cursor, your mouse cursor that I'm moving right now, this is called a cursor. If you want, you can keep this on your screen in the game. If you don't, you don't have to. So I'm going to keep it not on my screen, so let's just write cursor with a capital C, my bad. Cursor dot visible, and then you're going to write equals false. For me, if you don't want it on the screen. If you want it on the screen, make sure to write true, but I'm just going to write false in this place right here, because I just like the game more clean and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so that is basically done for all of the things when we start our game. That is done. No more. Well, we might add some more later on in like the course, but not course, my bad. Videos, the Unity videos, yeah. I keep calling it a course. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna write one update line, which is pretty fun. So we're gonna write distance, offset. Make sure to write the offset as a capital O. And then what we're going to write after that is equals, and then camera cal again. Camera cal, short for calculations. And then we're going to write dot calculate. Oh my god, calculate. Oh my god, with a capital C. I forgot. Oh my gosh. With a capital C, and then offset. Wait, which way I'm going? Alright, okay, there we go. Offset. And now we're gonna write parentheses, and then we're gonna write target, comma space, player layer variable. This is, remember in the last couple videos we made this player layer. This is where it comes in handy. Look, remember we named it as player layer 9. This is why you needed the player layer, for the how much distance it goes. So player layer, oh my god, layer number, and then where was I? Oh yeah. and then comma space, max distance. That's the max distance you can go as x and y. And then comma space again. Last one, distance offset. So distance offset. There we go. Okay, so yeah, and then make sure to add the semicolon at the end. And that's all of our update stuff. Now let's just add the last part of we're nearly done with the script and all, but let's just add this new void variable, void little thingy. So go to this like little squiggly bracket and press enter, like maybe like once or twice. I just do it, yeah, twice, and then type in void, and then late update, late, and then capital U update, and then if you all you want to do is put one little bracket, and it would do like the squiggly brackets for you, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so now in these squiggly brackets you're going to go to the first one, press enter, and then now we're going to write x and then space plus equals, and then we're going to write another space and then input with a capital I, input dot get axis, whatever, I don't know, axes, I'll just say axis, get axis, and then you want to write, from there you want to write parentheses, and then these quotation marks, mouse x, mouse space capital X, make sure it's capital X, okay, and now we're gonna multiply this by the camera speed for the X direction. So how you multiply in code, it's pretty funny. It's just a little symbol. All you gotta write is a little space, then I don't know what you call this, but it's on your 8. You so if you go above Q, you see like all the numbers, right? If you look at 8, you'll see a little like star shape, and you want to press shift and press that. That's how you multiply in code. So just a heads up if you're wondering how, that's how you multiply. So just add that, and then camera speed. So camera and then speed. There we go. Oh wait, and dot x. Dot x semicolon. There we go. Make sure to add that dot x, otherwise it will be an error. Yeah. Next one is a y variable, obviously. And this time, since we're going down with the y, we're going to do minus equals. So minus equals, and then we're going to write input. So input dot get axis. Oh, oh wait, no, I spelled it right. My bad. And then same thing. You could have just copied and pasted the line, but it's fine. We'll just do what we want. And then mouse y this time, y. And then we want to multiply it again by camera speed dot y. Dot y semicolon. That is it. So I hope you guys got this code down. No, I'm just joking. It's not the end of the video. We have way more code to go through. A little more code, and then the video is probably over. Anyway, let's go. We're getting off topic. Let's make our another y variable for the positive side. So y, and then equals, and then camera cal. Where is it? There it is. Okay, camera cal. Dot clamp ankle. Angle, not ankle. Angle. With a capital C and a capital A. Make sure you put those in. And then you want to add a parenthesis, and then you want to put y comma space, and then we want to put camera y limits. That's why we made all of these variables. Camera, oh there it is, camera y limits. There we go. And then x, there we go. And then camera limits dot y. So comma space. Oh wait, no, capital camera limits limits dot y. Oh, my bad. Yep, that is. And then semicolon at the end. Okay? So, next line is, so the next line, oh wait. Oh, I see there is an error in clamp angle. Jonas, let's see. I know what the error is. I purposely made this for you guys to find in this video. So, I don't know if you can see the error right here, but I'll give it, try and guess. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess. You can pause the video. Alright, if you didn't guess, I'll just show you right here. Or the thing is, this is a y variable. There can't be a separate x. So this x has to be deleted and going to here to, and then you're gonna make this dot x. Okay, that's why. So yeah, that's why it made an error. So yeah, just saying that was that. I made that. I made that on purpose for you guys to see. But yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Oh yeah, make 2 spaces now and write y offset, and then I'm gonna write equals camera, and then there we go, calculations. But you have to write calc. Oh, calc, yeah. And then what was it? Oh yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah, I'm lost. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then you wanna write dot, and then find offset. So find, and then you wanna write offset. Oh, there it is. Offset y. Yep, offset y. And then you want to write min height. Min height. Not mid, min. M-I-N. Or not with a capital M-I-N. And then capital H, height. Okay? And then semicolon at the end, obviously. Oh. And then your next variable is new POS. Sorry, my bad. New capital POS. And then you want to write equals, obviously, camera, and then calc, dot find position. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then you want to write min height again. So min height, semicolon. Done. So that is it. And this is the last thing we are going to do in the video, and that is to write an if statement. This is our first if statement in our code. So if space, make sure to add the space, the parentheses, and then you want to write reset camera. There we go. Okay, now you want to write in that reset camera, you want to write equals true. Make sure to write true. And then once you're here, basically, you can just press enter. Sorry, my bad. You wanna go. Oh my god. So you wanna don't press enter here. You wanna make two or one. Yeah, well, yeah. You just wanna press one of the squiggly brackets, and it'll make 2 automatically. And you wanna press enter. So it's like this. And then now you wanna make a little, well, it's already made a space, so you don't need to. And you wanna write x, another x variable, target dot transform and then dot, I don't know what that word is, but yeah, just write it. Dot y. Yep, dot y. There we go. I'm gonna say that's Ela. I'm not sure. Wait, should I go to Google Translate? No. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. Okay. Anyway, next variable. It's a quick variable. The y variable. Y, and then equals 0. That's it. Y equals 0. That's it. Really? That is it. Because when we reset our camera, Y is always gonna be on the 0 area. Like it's gonna be. I don't know how to explain it, but it's the position's gonna be on 0, and the X is gonna be on this, the target dot transform dot the LUR angles dot Y. That's where it's gonna be. So that's why we put Y as 0, not this thingy again. otherwise it would cause an error. Okay, next line is this line nearly the end of the video. Actually, guys, next line we're just gonna do like this, and then rotation, rotate, on a rotate. Oh, how do I spell rotation? Oh my god, rotation. There we go. Oh my god, that's not even how you spell it. There we go. There, rotation, and then we're gonna write equals quaternion. I'm guessing this is. I'm not even sure, but write quaternion, quaternion. I'm not sure, but yeah, just write that, and then ELA. I'm guessing ELA, and then just capital ELA, and then parentheses again, y comma x comma, and then 0.0f, and then make a semicolon. Oh wait, no, make a semicolon. Boom. Oh my god, that took forever. Okay, now once we're in here, you just want to go in. That's it for the Oh wait, and by the way, one more thing I forgot to do is when we made our void late update, it changed it to a private variable. So you just want to backspace the private variable and just have it as it is right now. And yeah, so yeah, that's all I wanted to change right here. Anyway, that is not it for today's video. The last thing we're gonna do is go into this little parenthesis I selected, and you wanna press here and then write else. That's all you wanna write, else. My bad. I'm just joking. We're not gonna write else in this video because we're not making an else statement right now, because that is the end of today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. By the way, guys, look what we have achieved after all this time. We have reached 1K subscribers. Thank you all so much. This really means the world to me. Oh my god, I'm very happy. 1K special. I'm gonna make a 1K special soon. I'm still making it. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do after the 1K, but you'll see in a few days what's coming up for the 1K special. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means the world to me. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try and hit 2K now. Road to 2K. Let's try and get 2K. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.